If you are house hunting in this country, South Africa, right now, well, you are in luck because I have made this video specially for you, and I'm here to assist with the checks that could actually saves you money and also saves you stress before you sign an offer to purchase. Remember, please don't be hard on yourself because this is your first time. But your girly here, gotcha, right? I have your back. I have your back. Right. So remember, there are no limitations when it comes to you looking for the house that you want to buy. You can use the listing websites, you can use the bank repossessed properties or distressed properties. You can also go to the developer's website and look for houses there. Please, when you are at it, do not forget to use filters. It will just tell you if you want 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms or whatever that you are wanting to add there as extra. Also put the price that you can afford there so that you are certain using it, and you'll see the variety of properties that will pop up, and also the areas that you are interested in. Please put them in those filters so that you see where you are. We are back again, me, your property coach, and I am assisting you to get to your dream home. Remember, I have navigated my journey by myself. So I now want to share how it feels and how it's like. As you know, I am still learning, and I will come bring what I have learned to you guys so that we learn together. Instead of focusing in a specific city, rather think in terms of the area that you want to be, and of course, the lifestyle that you want. Maybe you are young and vibrant, so we all know what type of area you're going to need, or maybe you are wanting to have a family. So, this should match your budget, your stage of life, your long term plan. Maybe you are now wanting to rent the place, you want to stay there as long as you can. Then, when you leave, then you want to rent the place, or maybe you just buying and wanting to retire in that place because it is that vibrant area where everything is close, or maybe you are having children, so you would want all the amenities to be around you. So it should match what you and your family needs are. So there are things that you need to pay attention to when you are walking through this property. Maybe you are viewing them physically. If you are interested in older homes, they should have character, because we all know older homes have character, but the structure as well needs to be solid. Right? In newer homes, usually they have everything modern, but sometimes they use cheap construction. So just look where you are and where you are comfortable. The other thing that you need to check would be anything that is visually in the property, like the peeling of paint, you would see that. The crack on the ceiling, you would see that. Maybe the dampness on the walls, the molds, all of those things are the things that you can actually see. Maybe missing window panes, and also there's plumbing and electricity. You need to go and actually flush that toilet when you're there. Make sure that you're opening all the taps and see also the water pressure, and check if there's geyser. You need to open also that hot water and make sure that the electrics, you press on them so that you would see if they are tripping or not, and that would be something that can be solved. So please make sure when you are walking in, you know exactly what you're doing, because it all depends on you. Most of these things, they depend on you, and you are the one that is actually needing to make sure that all of the things you have checked by yourself before the inspection and everything else happens. You need to also check the floors, check the foundations, ask questions. If there has been any major renovations, if it's an older house, has there been any fire? All of those things. Look at the evidence, because it's right there in front of you. Otherwise, I will see you on the next one. Bye. Enjoy your house hunting. Let's buy homes.